In this video, I'll show you how to scan a receipt in Expensify. First, sign in to your Expensify account and open the Expensify mobile app. Once you're logged in, tap the camera or scan receipt option to begin. Next, hold your phone over the receipt and make sure that the entire receipt fits within the camera frame. Keep the receipt flat and well lit so Expensify can capture all the details clearly. After that, take the photo. Expensify will automatically scan the receipt and extract information such as the merchant, date, total amount, and currency. Review the scanned details and make any corrections if necessary. Now add any additional information, such as a category, description, or report if your workflow requires it. Then, save the expense so it appears in your account. Finally, open your expenses or reports to confirm that the scanned receipt has been uploaded successfully and is ready for reimbursement or expense tracking. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to scan a receipt in Expensify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.